In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Reddit video has no sound. If you're watching a clip on Reddit and everything looks fine but you can't hear anything, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. I'll walk you through a few checks in a clear order so you can get the audio working again right away. First, sign into your Reddit account, then open a post that contains a video. By default, many Reddit videos start muted. Look to the lower left corner of the video player for the small speaker icon. If the icon shows a slash through it, the video is muted. Click or tap that icon to unmute. As soon as you do, a volume slider should appear. Drag the slider up to raise the volume, then hit play again to test. On mobile, you might need to tap the video once to reveal the on-screen controls, then tap the speaker and adjust the slider. If the video is part of a gallery or embedded from another source, still look for that same speaker icon within the Reddit player. Next, make sure your device's own volume isn't the culprit. On phones and tablets, use the physical volume buttons and ensure you're adjusting the media volume, not just the ringtone. If you see a mute or silent mode indicator, turn it off. On computers, click your system's sound icon and confirm the master volume is up and not muted. Also check that your media or browser volume is turned up if your system separates those controls. If you're using headphones, earbuds, speakers, or a Bluetooth device, confirm they're properly connected and selected as the active output. Sometimes audio is routed to a device you're not actually using, so switch to the correct output and try again. Finally, check whether your browser has muted Reddit. In most browsers, you can right-click the Reddit tab at the top. If you see an option that says Unmute Site, click it. This means the entire website was muted. If the option says mute site instead, then it isn't muted at the browser level. Also look for a little speaker icon on the tab itself. A crossed out icon indicates a mute. After these checks, unmuting the video in Reddit, turning up the slider, verifying your device volume and output, and ensuring the site isn't muted in your browser, play the video again. You should now hear the audio. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Reddit videos sounding the way they should.